What's up, guys? You're watching another episode of Tightline TV. I'll be your host today. I'll be doing all the talking. Jordan lost his voice. He can't really talk over here. Oh. But we're gonna be doing a little bit of trout fishing today.
Yo guys, what's going on? This is my friend Rachel. As she literally just said, I completely lost my voice over the past week. That's why I haven't been posting so much. And I'm really not supposed to be talking, and I kind of sound crazy. So she's gonna be doing all the talking today. I'm taking her fishing out at this little stream we know about, and we're literally just gonna be catching rainbow trout today. So we're gonna just get right to it and probably have some stuff on the GoPro, and then whatever she catches, I'll film. So you ready? You ready to get it done?
I'm ready.
You ready
to
get it done? All right. We'll see you guys at the river.
Today we're either going to be fishing with a trout worm or Nightcrawlers, whatever works best. And we got a couple of split shots weighted down right above the trout hook. So we'll see if we hook on any trout today.
You know, these are stock trout too, by the way. So these fish are primarily fed like starch stuff, like feeds, corn. So, you know, they're not gonna feed super natural. So sometimes they can be finicky, or sometimes they'll eat a little bit of anything. But we're just here to have fun. It's nice out, and I've been so sick, so it's like super nice to get out here and actually catch fish. But so Rach, what we're gonna do here is you're just gonna cast into that current, and you're gonna let it drift all the way under that bridge. And once it gets into that main current, you're just gonna kind of have a hold on it. You're not gonna be able to see it, but if you keep the tension on there and hold it, usually they'll bite. Got one. There we go, they're here. First fish of the day. That's awesome. Isn't that cool? Alrighty guys, this guy's a squirm, but literally this is all we're dealing with right here. These guys are just stock trout. Normally they put them in here so you guys can eat them because it gets too hot in the summer here, but today I don't feel like eating them, so I'm just gonna let this guy go, and I guess someone else can catch him. So sweet. We're having a competition. Whoever catches the most wins. Loser has to bite a Nightcrawler in half. So maybe the bite will pick up, maybe it won't. Want to come back down here? Yep. All right, Rach, what you got?
Oh, well, I got one. So they're definitely biting over here at this spot. Looks about the same size as Jordan's earlier.
Yeah, they're.
So,
go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead, put them back.
We're gonna keep fishing the spot, see what else we can get. All right. Sweet.
Oh, there you go. That's one. That's one. Real. You had one. See how your bobber like just barely went under? That's what they do. They just play with it. There we go. Got one. 2-1, Rach. This one feels like a better one. It's a big dog. There we go. Oh, look at this one, Rach. He's coming right to me. Hey, what's up? Cool. All right, there we go, number 2. These things are so squirmy, but that's probably the biggest one yet so far, so. Let this guy go. Boom. You got some catching up to do. There's.
It's on.
Oh.
It's on.
Look at this. All right, spot change. Oh, there's those chubs. Look at that. Look at that guy. Oh, that's actually sick. That's a little carp.
Aww.
I've never caught a chub like that. Look at that. It's a fat chub. Different kind of chub. Cool. It's like a shad.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is though. It's like a slippery between a shad and a chub. Oh, if you guys know what that is, let me know in the comment section below. It's cool though. See you later, little buddy. Dun, dun, dun.
Well, a bet's a bet. I gotta eat a worm. We had Jordan.
Oh, you don't have to eat it. You can just bite it in half.
Bite it in half. Jordan with 2, Rachel with 1. All right.
Oh. Oh my God.
Delicious.
How's that taste?
Like dirt, like a big mouthful of dirt. Well, other than that, it's a pretty decent day of fishing. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.